Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to calculate the surface area of this step prism. So let's get started with the formula to calculate surface area of a prism. So surface area, using the formula will be more easier. Surface area equals to 2 times the base area plus the perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, so we have the formula. So let's look at what is the base area. So each prism have two sides that are identical, like this side and the other side. They are practically the same. So this side that is the same is called the base. So we are going to look at the area of one of the base. So if looking at the base, this section can be divided into, to get the area of this part, we can divide it into 3 parts. Okay, so let's see how we can divide it. So this is a compound shape, so we have to divide it into rectangles. So our first rectangle would look like this. The second rectangle. Okay, so let's get the dimension. So the first rectangle is, to get this height, this vertical height, we need this height plus this plus this. So we add all the vertical height together. So 7 plus 2 plus 4. So this will give us 13. Okay, so now we have this rectangle, which is 5 times 13. So 5 times 13 will give us 65. So this is 5. So this is 5 as well. So the next rectangle that we have, this section is 5. Section is 5. Then what will be the height? So the height will still be the vertical. This height represents the vertical height of this and this. So we are going to have 2 plus 4, which is 6. So the height here will be 6. So the area will be 6 times 5, which is 30. So the last part, we are going to have 5 here and 4. So that will give us an area of 20. So if we add them all together, if we are going to add 65 plus 30 and plus 20, so all of this will give us an area. So the base area is going to be, the base area will give us 115. So we are going to get 115 centimeters square. Okay, so we have the base area, so we can move on by writing 2 times the base area, 2 times 115 plus. The next part is to get the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter of the base, so we want to get the perimeter of the base. We have talked about this dimension, which is 13 already. And for this other section, we need to add the horizontal height. So we are going to have 5 to get this dimension. So we need to add all the horizontal lines. So we are going to have 5 plus 5 and plus 5. This will give us 15. Because we want to look for the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter of the base is this plus this plus this plus this plus this, this, and this. So we have 15. So here will be 7. Here will give us 5. Here will give us 2. Here is another 5. And here is 4. And this section is 5. So if we add all of this up together, this will give us, if we add them together, so we are going to have the perimeter of the base. If we add 13 plus 5, all of this will give us 56 centimeter. So now we have the perimeter of the base. You can check it yourself by adding them up. So this will give us 56 times the height of this prism. So what is the height? That's the reason why we have this shape that's been flipped. So this is the same thing. So this is not the height of the prism because all these height are different. Then also looking at this question so far, we have used all these dimensions. There's only one dimension that we have not used, which is 10, because it's the height of the prism. We can see that this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So we can clearly see that this is the height of the prism. So times 10. Okay, so if we multiply this together, we are going to get 230 plus 560. So if we add them up together, 60 plus 30 will give us 90, and 2 plus 5 will give us 70. So our answer is 790 centimeter square. So this is the area. Please, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. See you in the next video.